Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to delete your all chats at once in WhatsApp on iPhone. So this is my iPhone device, so let's start. So first of all you have to find your WhatsApp on your iPhone and then tap on it to open it. So let me find my WhatsApp. So here is my WhatsApp. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened and you can see I'm on this chats screen. So you can see I have three chats over here that I want to delete at once. You might have more or less chats. So in order to delete all chats at once, what you need to do, you have to tap on this settings, this tab in this bottom menu. So let me tap on this settings, and I have this settings screen opened. And after that guys, you have to tap on this chats, and you can see I have this chats screen opened. And in this screen guys, you have to tap on this delete all chats, this link. Let me tap on this, and you can see I have this delete chats, this screen opened. So before deleting, here we have this little message, this warning. Let's read that. Deleting your chats will delete your message history on this phone. Delete all sent and received media. So just read this message, and if you agree, you can proceed forward. So I agree this. So after that guys, you have to enter your phone number. So just select your country by tapping on this box over here. I have my country selected, so let me show you how you can do that. So if I tap on this, you can see I have various countries over here. So just go to your country and then tap on it to select that. So let me go back because my country is already selected. Let me go back. Okay, after that provide your phone number. So let me provide that. So you can see I provided my phone number and here is the country code. So after that guys, you have to tap on this delete all chats, this link. So let me tap on this, and it's connecting. So we need to wait. So it's now done guys. After that you can go back. Let me go to the chat screen. Let me tap on this chats, this tab in this bottom menu in order to go to the chats screen. Let me tap on this, and you can see I have this chats screen opened, and you can see I don't have any chat over here. So it's now deleted. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily delete your all chats at once in WhatsApp on iPhone. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.